New Casio G-Shock GBD-2000 series. Main specifications are case size 59.6 by 52.6 by 19.4 mm. Atom weight is 63 gram. Case and bezel material is bio-based resin. Band bio-based resin band. Construction shock resistant. Water resistance 200 meter water resistance. Time adjustment. GPS signal reception, manual receive, position information, time information. Power supply and battery life. Charging system compatible with dedicated cable, requires device with type A USB terminal, solar powered. Sensor features active multi-sport, running, walk, biking, swimming, others. Calculate and display distance, speed, space and other information using GPS or accelerometer. Auto manual lap function, auto pass function, training analysis, cardio, load status, activity log data up to 100 runs with up to 200 laps each. Measurement time, distance, pace, running index, calories burned, energy sources used, heart rate, maximum heart rate, cardio load, pitch, maximum pitch, steroid, altitude gained, number of strokes, solve, rest rate, measurement 30 to 220 bpm, heart rate, target heart rate, setting, graphics heart rate, zone, indication, heart rate graphs, maximum heart rate, minimum heart rate, sleep measurement, sleep, recovery status, barometer pressure measurement, measuring range 260 to 1100 HPa, display range 260 to 1100 HPa, temperature measures temperature range minus 10.0 to 60 degree or 14 to 140 Fahrenheit scale, display minus 10 to 60 degree or 14 to 140 Fahrenheit, display unit 0.1 degree. 22 years